Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in HelloEnglish detailed guide step by step clearly. To invest in HelloEnglish, start by researching the company. Visit their official website to learn about their offerings and business model. Look for any available investor relations or financial information. Next, determine the type of investment you want to make. Consider whether you want to invest in stocks, bonds, or another financial instrument. If investing in stocks, check if HelloEnglish is a publicly traded company. If so, find the stock symbol and track its performance. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that suits your investment style. Once your account is set up, deposit funds to begin trading. Search for HelloEnglish using its stock symbol on your brokerage platform. Analyze the stock performance and market trends. Make an informed decision based on your research and risk tolerance. If you prefer investing through mutual funds or ETFs, search for options that include HelloEnglish. Evaluate the fund's performance and fees. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized advice. Once you've made your choice, place your order to buy shares. Monitor your investment regularly to gauge its performance. Stay updated with industry news related to HelloEnglish. Be prepared to adjust your strategy based on market conditions. Finally, keep track of your investment goals and timelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.